everybody, I'm at Spoiled Brats Pet Store in Hell's Kitchen. It's a great pet store right here in Manhattan. What's really exciting about Spoiled Brats is it happens to be the headquarters for Angelical Cats Rescue. Angelical Cats Rescue is a wonderful organization that was started 15 years ago right here in Hell's Kitchen. Here with Amelia. She is one of our special, beautiful princess cats. She's 2 years old, and I'm going to ask her some questions. Have you ever read the book Amelia Bedelia? Do you prefer Earl Grey or English breakfast? Amelia, how many diamonds do you own? This is Sonia. Sonia only has one eye. I love your black fur. How do you keep it looking so beautiful? If you could date any actor in the whole world, who would it be? Is this you? This is Charlie. He's an escape artist. Charlie escaped out of the cat room a few weeks ago. He went and hung out at a deli. He had adventures. You're very, very beautiful. You are like a goddess. I bring you that fly as a gift. Please accept it. I love you. Mary Lou, are you named after the famous gymnast Mary Lou Retton? And if so, can you do a backflip? What did you see out on the streets of Manhattan? Cherry, do you like boys? If you could date anybody in the whole world, who would you date? What's your favorite soup? I think you're really cute too. Can I eat your cute little face? Are you Banksy? So these are just a few of our cats, and we're so happy to have shown them to you today. Big thank you to our volunteers who come here twice a day to clean up the cages, change litter, feed the cats, and play with them. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, Angelical Cats Rescue, and also follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye! Oops, I mean, meow!